Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to integrate quickly. If a function is odd, meaning f2 minus x is minus f2x, its integral over a symmetric interval is 0. For example, like this. That's because the function is odd, the negative area cancels the positive area. If a function is even, meaning then this trick is instantly halves your work. Sometimes it's helpful to flip the integrals variable for any f2x on a or b. This trick simplifies many rational and trigonometric integrals when combined with symmetry or algebraic manipulation. A powerful method when the integrated is a product of two functions. Choose u as the function that gets simpler when differentiated, like ln x or x, and dv as the one that's easy to integrate. For example, like this. When the derivative of one of the part of the integrated appears as well in the expression, substitution simplifies the integral. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.